Hello friend, welcome back. So a few days ago we created our chessboard, remember? And today let's try to add our piece, the image, a piece image on our game board, okay? So I'll start from scratch and try to find a raw image and maybe we need to edit this image, right? To make it proper for our purpose, using an online free image editor called pixar.com. And then we'll try to draw this image on our game board. Okay, so let's get started. Open Xcode. No, we can go to our file system, right? You can do the same thing. Try to find, yeah, my project is, right? My projects are here inside the temp. So you can find yours, right? So where is our chessboard? Okay, this guy, chessboard. So we can click this one, right? Double click this guy to open it. The Xcode project file like this. See chessboard, yeah. When you create a project, there will be a project file, something like that. So double click. Yeah, that's our stuff. Well, it's the code. Let's click here to bring, yeah, here board view is where we draw our game board. Okay, now iPad Pro simulator, let's run it. So does it look familiar? Yes, right? So let's try to add a piece somewhere here, maybe a pawn. Okay, so now let's go to the internet to search our excuse me. Yeah, let's search our chess image pawn, something like that. So be careful. Most of the images, right? Most of the images are copyright protected. So you can use, so from this one, I just show you how to, yeah, get something for your personal use, okay? And for example, we can, let's find one for our purpose. So maybe we need a single chess image pawn. Okay, what about this one? This one? Okay, let's just use this one. There's a, we don't want this shadow thing. Is there like this guy? Okay, so this guy is simple, 200 by 200. Oh, okay, so it means we might not, if this, let's see if it's transparent. Okay, so can we save it? Okay, so let's see, right click, save image as, let's put it in download. Okay, downloads. So give it a name like pawn or black pawn, black underscore pawn. Okay, dot png. Save it. Okay, now can you see it here? Okay, so we can click here and show, yeah, select show in folder or show in finder. Where it is, it's here, this guy. Let's double click it to check. Yes, I think it's transparent. If it's not transparent, maybe you need to go, okay, so we'll use another video to introduce how we can modify, right, a raw image online. Let me show you the tool quickly. So it's in here. It's called pick. Yeah, L. Be careful. pixlr.com. Yeah, here, like that. So you can use this one, Pixar E. Okay, Pixar E editor. Yeah, then you can like open an image or create a new, something like that. Like you can define the width and the height. Yeah, we'll cover this later. Okay, create. So yeah, so today we don't need that because we already get a transparent image file directly here. Yeah, it might be copyright protected. Okay, so yeah, don't use it publicly, right, without checking its copyright. Now here, okay, how can we use it in Xcode? Let's go to this assets dot Xcode assets. Okay, so we only need to drag this guy and put it here, this area. Okay, let's do it. Drag and put it here. Yeah, by default it uses the file name as the image name. This is different concept, right? This is the image name used here, this guy. This name is used within the project. We'll use this name to find out this image and draw on our game board. Okay, but here break underscore pong.png is the file name. Yeah. Okay, now let's go to our code. To draw an image is very easy. We only need 2 lines of code. Okay, go to the board view, right? So okay, we can organize this one. Draw 2 rows, okay, we can create one like draw board. Okay, game board like that, and move out this part like that, put it here. So just make sure, oh okay, we need to call it, right, draw board like that, run it. Nothing will change. We still have an gorgeous game board. Now let's try to create another one, something like draw pieces, right? Draw pieces. Okay, now we have only one piece, so call it here draw pieces. Okay, so let's draw a single piece now. Yeah, I promised, right, that we only need 2 lines of code. So first one, step 1, create an image. The second one, right, step 2, use that image to draw. Okay, so let our pawn image, right, equals UI image like that. We'll create an object of this one, so we'll call it initializer, right? So there's one down, if you scroll down, there's one, this guy named like that, double click. So we'll provide a string for its name. What is its name? It's this guy. It's the name I show you here, this part here. So we can double click and it's select already, copy, right? Now click this one, go back to the file, you can just paste it here. So this means we'll use this image name to create an image, UI image object named pawn image. Now with this image object ready, we can use it, right? Dot draw. Okay, now there's two options, draw in and draw at. Draw at will provide a point. You can play with that. Okay, then let me try that first. Okay, provide like its location, x and y. So this xy is the top left of the image. Okay, so let's try it, put it here. Okay, 10 by 10. Okay, so let's use this location, draw our image somewhere here, right? Top left here, 10 by 10. Okay, or 10 by 20, 10 20, right? So it will be maybe like 10 20, something like that. Okay, now let's run it. So this question mark means, right, it could fail, right? It could fail if for example we use like a wrong name here, right? It means we are creating the object of image will fail. It means this will be nil. If this is nil, then this syntax will guarantee there's no crash. It just ignore this line of code. It will do nothing. But if it's not nil, it means we do have an object of UI image. So this will be run. Okay, so in our case, I think we are sure, right? This is, yeah, there is our image right here with this name. Now let's run it. Command R. Oh, it's here, you see, right? The pawn. So what if we put it 0 0? So you see, we cannot using this draw at a point, right? Yeah, now I think the image is like that, this big. So we cannot control its, there's no control of its size using draw at. We just draw the image right at this corner, like this is the anchor point, right? 0 0. So it means we put the whole image here. Now comment out that if we use another one, right? Another function, image dot draw in. Now we can provide a rectangle. Okay, opening parenthesis x, like that. So this time we can, yeah, we can specify the same top left corner of this image, but we can specify the width and height, right? Okay, what is the width of height? Oh, we have side here, right? You see the side. The side is based on this calculation. Remember, it will be the side of our small squares. Yeah. Okay, now run it. It should be a perfect fit. Yes, right? Cool, right? So what if we draw another one? Let's put this one here, okay? Here. So how can we do that? Put another one. So now let's get rid of this one because we are not using it. So this image file can be, this image object can be reused, okay? So we don't need to create another one. So just copy and paste. So now this one, let's put one here, okay? So here it will be, right, 3. Yeah. What is the coordinates of this point, right? 3 sides, right? 3 sides x and one vertically, one side vertically. So 3 times side and 1 here, 1 times side here. There should be another one. Yeah, you see, this is how we, right, draw image inside our view. Okay, cool. That's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.